Hey guys, I wanted to come on here really quick to provide a review of this Zojirushi, I think that's how you say it, rice cooker. And this rice cooker is probably one of the best ones I've ever seen. My husband is Asian, and so I wanted to make sure the rice was really good and easy, and this one is both of those things. So here is what the rice kind of looks like. We've already had some of it. But it is very fluffy and very delicious, and it's so easy to set up. So I'm going to even walk you through it. So whenever it's time to do, you put your uncooked rice in here, you wash it. So you're going to kind of put the rice in, use the measuring cup they give you. They tell you to be very precise with it. So because this setup is so easy, I just want to make fresh rice every day instead of having leftovers. So I've just been making 2 cups for my family of 4 because that's kind of what we eat at every serving. And so, yeah, you fill this up twice. You throw it in here. Then you put some water in, clean it, right? Rinse it out, clean it, rinse it out, okay? And then how many ever of these guys you do, that's what number. So I'm making the white rice just for reference here. That's the number that you put it up until. So if I do 2 cups of these dry, right, then I'm going to fill the water up to the number right here, which obviously is 2, right? 1, 2, 3. If I do 3 of these, right, then I'm going to do it to the 3rd line, right? And then they want you to wipe the bottom of this bad boy right here, just so that when you put it in here, this thing doesn't get like water in it. So you wipe it down, you put this inside, right? Okay, this is cooked, right? I'm just giving you an example. Then you close this and you literally select what you want, which you would click the menu button until it gets white, and then you push start. You're gonna hear it make a little sound. And the one tip I have, which got me the first time, was I kept thinking I needed to do something here, keep warm selection, but you don't. It automatically keeps your rice warm. So I made this rice at like 9:30 this morning, and it was still warm, and it's like 7 o'clock here, 7 p.m. So it automatically kicks into warm mode. And the rice takes about 57 minutes is what it'll make a little sound like dee 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 dee, and then it'll show a 57. And then I think the time kind of adjusts. I've never actually matched it minute for minute with a clock. But I think it goes quicker than 57 minutes because it kind of detects like how much you have in here, and then it reduces the cooking time like automatically. You don't have to do any of that, which is amazing. So I'm so glad I bought this rice cooker. I definitely recommend it.